Navigating the love of food and fitness. Wow, this is relatable for a lot of us. Generally active, blah, blah, blah. Love food, love cooking, eating, consuming, blah, blah, blah. Good. Yep, yep, yep. I eat healthy most of the time. Okay, cool. Okay. This brings me both joy and stress, self imposed, irrational body shaming included. I think this is the ticket to this question. You need to work on realizing we're human beings living in a time and a world where there is delicious food, but there is obviously a fine line. If you want to be feeling good all the time, eating these really high calorie, delicious foods, especially around holidays, probably aren't going to be the most good for you. I do this based off of strict feeling. Some people call it intuitive eating. So I eat pretty healthy most of the time, but literally every single night I eat some type of dessert. I have some like sugary cereal, almost like a dessert, and then usually some cookies and stuff with it too. But I don't eat it that much. And the second I start feeling slightly full or even borderline sick, I don't push myself to sickness, but sometimes if I feel that way after eating any food, I know I've overdone it. So it's really finding that sweet spot when I'm eating my foods, knowing that if I eat healthier foods, I'm going to fuel my workouts better, which is obviously great. But then at the same time, I'm still enjoying myself as a human being because there's so many delicious things out there. I just went to London 2 weeks ago, and if I was in the fitness mindset, I've changed a lot over the years, but if I was in the fitness mindset and I would have been like, yeah, I'm not going to try real fish and chips or this like really delicious shepherd's pie thing. Oh, I'm just craving thinking about it. I enjoyed that entire trip. I came back, literally looked at myself in the mirror, didn't even work out the entire week. I monitored myself. I didn't go super bingy on the trip. And I looked fine. I looked the exact same, and my body probably needed the rest and recovery. So really just this guilt with food is the thing that kills people, because then you restrict harder the next day, and it's kind of this never-ending perpetual loop. And I used to be there, and the best thing that actually helped me with this is just to realizing I like food. We're human beings. I'm going to work out. I'm going to eat some quote-unquote not the best food and also pretty healthy food. It's all about balance, and if you feel good, keep rolling with it.